So you are curious what U-Haul 10 footer like. So this is what it looks like, and they charge 19.95 in town plus the mileage. So I think I paid like $17 per mile. So let me open this up. Let me go to the back. Unlatch. Okay. Pull it. Push it up. Gonna put some weight on it. There you go. That's what it looks like. Let me let me step back so you can see it from far view. That's what it looks like. Maybe one studio bedroom will do. And that's the side. It's a V8. It's easy to drive, guys. I mean, it's just like a car. And GMC. That's right. Let me take you inside. It's kind of high, stepped up, and then there's like a gauge right there. It says best miles per gallon. You don't worry about anything at all. That's the back, two-seater. Okay, and there's the dash. Let me turn it on, and that's pretty much it. And that's my coffee. That's like a toolbox. I don't know what it is, but that's pretty much it.